this is the park in Mitaka that leads to the Ghibli Museum. So it's kind of surrounded by a lot of wooded area, a lot of beautiful flowers. You can also hear the birds. They seem to be quite happy here. Guys, we are halfway through the Ghibli Museum. We saw the Ghibli Museum only movie. We did the animatronic / not animatronic, stop motion room, like the history of animation room, which is always amazing and I love it and always makes me cry. And we did the concept art room, which was phenomenal. I think they changed the exhibit out because I remember there was more Kiki stuff when I came last time, and this time there was like Earthsea stuff as well, and Ponyo stuff. So I can't recommend it enough. Come on, Dylan.
No.
Please.
I can't.
It really did. Dylan just said the most heartfelt, amazing, sweet thing.
I said that going in the museum, they want me to change everything in my life. And
he wants to like start drawing every day and painting every day. So
yeah,
the Ghibli Museum will literally change your life.
It was very inspirational. I will say that.
Now I'm going to start to cry.